Behavioral psychology, also known as behaviorism, is a psychological approach that focuses on observable behaviors and the environmental factors that influence them. Key principles of behavioral psychology include behavioral modification, classical conditioning, operant conditioning, observational learning, behavior analysis, behavioral therapy, Skinner's radical behaviorism, and token economies. Behavioral modification emphasizes that behaviors are learned through interactions with the environment. Techniques like reinforcement, punishment, and shaping are used to modify or change behaviors. Classical conditioning, introduced by Ivan Pavlov, involves associating a neutral stimulus with an involuntary response to create a learned response. For example, associating a bell ringing with salivation in Pavlov's famous experiment with dogs. Operant conditioning, developed by B.F. Skinner, focuses on the consequences of behavior. Positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement, punishment, and extinction are key concepts in operant conditioning. Observational learning, proposed by Albert Bandura, highlights the role of observation and imitation in learning. Individuals learn by observing others' behaviors and the consequences of those behaviors. Behavior analysis, specifically applied behavior analysis, ABA, is a therapeutic approach based on behavioral principles. ABA is often used to address and modify behaviors in individuals with developmental disorders, such as autism. Behavioral therapy, including approaches like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, draws from behavioral principles to address and change maladaptive behaviors. It focuses on identifying and modifying specific behaviors, thoughts, and emotions. Skinner's radical behaviorism rejects the emphasis on internal mental processes and focuses solely on observable behavior. Skinner believed that understanding external influences on behavior is sufficient for explaining and predicting actions. In behavioral settings, token economies involve reinforcing desired behaviors with tokens that can be exchanged for rewards. They are commonly used in institutional or educational settings. Behavioral psychology has contributed significantly to understanding learning processes and behavioral change. While it has evolved over time and integrated with other psychological perspectives, behaviorism remains influential in areas such as therapy, education, and applied behavior analysis. Thank you for watching.